Hi everybody. Hey, welcome back to Jay's How-To channel. I'm Jay, and today I'm going to teach you guys how to install wiper blades on a car. I was just hanging out in Mexico with a buddy of mine, and he asked me to shoot a video on how to change wiper blades on a car. So, well, let's get into it.
There we go. Okay, to remove it, you simply grab the whole wiper assembly and you pull it down this way, and it's just gonna snap right out. And then you've got this hook area. Okay, we're gonna squeeze right here and lift that out. And then you've got this little cage hook right here. And slip it in right there and just close it down. There you go. All right, let's do the other side. Just grab this wiper blade, push it down this way, and it comes off. The new wiper blade, lift this up, feed it through here, and then pull it back in place into the hook, and then snap this down. There you go. This is a 2015 Ford Explorer. And on this one, these are, again, different type of windshield wipers. But you've got two little things right here, the little tabs that squeeze in. And then that pulls right out. Now, these are the little tabs here, and then the top of this goes right in here. So just snap in like that, and there you go. This car is a Chevy Spark, a 2015 Chevy Spark. So here's another wiper blade example. So you just press here, press this little button here, that just slides right out. And then you grab the new wiper blade, just insert. Super easy. 2015 Chevy Spark. Hey, you guys have a good day. Sure appreciate you guys watching the video all the way to the end. Please click that like button for me.